Alright guys, what are we doing today? Camo. Camo on the eyeballs. Or green, black, and brown. Camo lips. Nah, we'll just do green, black, and brown. Who's ready? I am. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. First things first, like always, take your Urban Decay Primer Potion and smack it on your eyeballs. Worry, I gotta go in with the Z palette where the shading light is, and take this color, and smack that all over the eyeballs as well. Don't actually smack your eyeballs, that'll hurt. I'm gonna mix the two. I'm just. Morphe M35 palette. There's pretty much all the colors that we need are right in here. So, the greens, the browns. Oh, it's got one right here. This one. Obviously the black, and then the sparkles would be good for these. So, I'm going to be using the M35 palette for this whole thing. First things first, our compact fluffy brush, the one that I use in almost every eye look, and I'm going to dip into this color.
Hello?
Hey, you still at the store?
Yeah, I'm in the driveway.
Damn!
I've been gone for over an hour. You just now thinking about it?
Did you pick up mac and cheese by chance?
Yes.
Yay! Never mind. That's all I wanted.
Bye.
Love you, bye. That's my mama. She's the bestest. She's better than your mom. I don't know, but she's the best mom I've ever had. Okay. I'm gonna go with the color right underneath that one, right here, deeper, ruddy brown. Show it on camera that color. I think it does. Ooh, where are you? Here it is. Wrong one. That color? That color. We're not using our fingers. I don't think it comes up as well on camera. So just wipe that off on something. I'm gonna take this brush, another one that I use literally all the time, and I'm gonna go into that dark red brown color, and I'm gonna pack that into the crease again, but this time much lower down. You see that fall out? Why is it called fall out? It doesn't fall out, it falls on. I'm gonna start calling it fall on from now on. Now, I'm gonna take this little fluffy, blendy, tiny little brush review. I'm gonna go into that black. Pack it in. Pack it in, guys. Damn! side of the Urban Decay brush, not the thinner side, but the thicker side. We're going to take some of these greens up in here. I'm going to pack the darkest one in the outer corner. And I'm going to go in with the three colors. So dark, medium, and then light. Boop, boop, boop. Got it? Got it. Cool. Let's do it. I'm going to take the gold color next to the green. This is nice off. Glittery. I'm just going to take up my finger. My finger. Put it on the inner corner. Put it up. Pop. Pop. So, I'm going to take my eyeliner. I don't think I want upper eyeliner today, which is weird for me. Whoa, why am I yellow? There we go. Anyway, I don't think I want upper eyeliner today. So, I'm going to do mascara, and I'm going to do my base, and my eyebrows, and I'll be back with the lips very shortly. So, one second. So, I did a thing, and I decided to put on eyeliner. But now, let's do the lips. So, I'm going to take a black, again, eyeliner. Don't yell at me. Please don't yell at me. And put it on just the inner corners of both my lips. Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. But my lips. Then I'm going to take Kat Von D's Crucifix and do it on the outer, the middle third. I'm going to take Crucifix by Kat Von D. Then finally, also by Kat Von D, I'm going to take Plan 9, so screen. A little bit more black. That is the look. Zoom in. So, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like it. I think it looks really good. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!